Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. Today in this video we are going to detail discuss XRP, conduct machine learning based price forecast, regression analysis and accumulation strategy. None of the content is financial advice. This is the weekly price action, average weekly price action for XRP starting 2017 November. This price action is fed to the machine learning model trained on RE TM and XGBoost machine learning methodologies, and the following are the three scenarios forecasted by the model. Right now the price of XRP, if you can check over here, is coming in at around 51 cents, again a decline of about 11% over the last 24 hours. In terms of the forecast, the model at a base case says that the price action could be between 61 62 cents to about 68 cents between now and early March of 2025. In terms of the bear case, the price action could be between 30 cents and about 54 cents, and the bull case is between 72 cents all the way to about $1.88. These three scenarios help us understand what is the potential upside for XRP, what is potential downside, and what is the likely case in case if there is no bias to the bullish or bearish side. So the purpose is to manage expectations either ways. None of the content is financial advice, and no one can predict what could happen in the market tomorrow. It's just based on historical data, what would constitute an overvaluation and undervaluation looking back several key performance periods. If you are interested in week by week analysis of this forecast, this content is also available on cryptoweeklies.com. The base case is this column in the middle. To its left is the line that we discussed, the 68 percentile bear case. To its right is the 68 percentile bull case. The 2 standard deviation bull case is the 95 percentile one, and the 3 standard deviation is 99.7 percentile confidence that the price would stay below 96 cents. So with a 99.7% confidence, the model can say that for this week, now that we are at price action at 50 cents, there is 99.7% confidence that the price does not exceed 96 cents. Again, this is a distant goal. Again, these forecasts are only relevant during the extreme mania phases of the market, that is the 99.77 percentile bull case. Mostly the market stays within this one standard deviation, that is at around 70%, bull case at around 72 cents. That's the maximum permissible bull case ceiling for this week for the model, if the market stays within the one standard deviation intervals. Again, there are short-lived excitements like XRP achieved a decent result against its lawsuit in July of 2023, where its price rose from 47 cents to all the way to about 76 cents. So again, those moves would be similar to slightly above the bull case, but definitely below the 68 percentile bull case, but definitely below the 95 percentile bull case. So that's the purpose of these forecasts. Now that we have covered these forecasts, again all of them are available over here, and not just for XRP. Most of the top 100 cryptos by market cap are available on cryptoweeklies.com. You don't have to sign up or pay for anything. So in terms of the regression analysis for XRP's current price, this is again weekly current price, the same price, but on top of this weekly price are these polynomial regression functions wrapped around them. The base function is the line in pink. On top are the 3 standard deviation residuals to the upside and 3 standard deviation residuals to the downside, which encapsulate the same phenomenon. Again, 68 percentile market behavior within price action behavior within these 1 standard deviation band. You can see only during the extreme mania phases the market or the price action leaves this 68 percentile zone to the upside, and again during the extreme bear phases, that's when it leaves to the downside. Right now we are in the range bound market. The range is between, for XRP, is between the fair value that is at around 58 cents. Right now the price is lower than that, and you can see that the price has exhibited some tendency to deviate around the fair value. You can see it goes up slightly and then again goes down and then goes up and down since late July of 2024. And if it were to go back up, the key level to watch is the 58 cents. That would correspond to the fair value. In terms of the support, the ultimate support for XRP is the again the 38 cents level, which is the 1 standard deviation bottom. In terms of the 1 standard deviation ceiling currently coming in at around 89 cents. So again, it would take a lot for XRP to go beyond 89 cents at this phase of the market, unless something extraordinary happens. So that's where the 70% price actions would most likely be for the foreseeable future. The 2 standard deviation ceiling, which corresponds to $1.34, is one key level to watch if we visit a mania phase in the market. So that's where the regression analysis of XRP. Before we visit the accumulation strategies, we'll briefly look at what is happening in the overall market right now. Over the last 7 days, Bitcoin and narratives related to XRP are gaining popularity in the social media discussions related to crypto. Again, the bullish sentiment, although is largely up over the last 7 days, but you can see the market cap has shrunk over the last 2 to 3 days. It's close to this 2 trillion market cap. The fear and greed is at around 36 per the composite risk score. You can see there has been a precipitous drop to 0.17 level. This is again our chart normalized between 0 and 1, takes into consideration the price analysis of top 100 cryptos by market cap, and it's color coded based on the risk at any point in time. Again, the red zones are high risk, great time to get out of the market. Orange, second highest risk, again great time to watch for a market peak, and also if you are on a lower risk threshold, get out of the market. The yellow zone is the moderate risk zone, we spent a lot of time in 2024, at least the early part of 2024. The green zone is the low risk, and blue zone is the value zone, ultra low risk zone. Right now we are in the green zone. You can say briefly peaked above the green zone for the later or the last week of September, but only to go back to this value territory of around 0.17 risk. That means again, for any dip buying related opportunities, the green zone makes more sense than where when the risks are rising at a precipitous rate, like they were rising early part of February and middle of March of 2024. Right now, again, if you want to know how this is calculated, the description is also available, and the content is available in this peak value indicator. That's where we saw this overall market health at around 0.18, the social sentiment coming in at 49, again kind of neutral territory, not too fearful, not too greedy in terms of fear and greed index. But again, this is an analysis of social sentiment of the content generated related to crypto over the last 24 hours. You can see that each narrative going into the discussion, such as Bitcoin at around 61k again, and one of the Bitcoin holders related news, Bitcoin being down, Bitcoin this is not good. Again these narratives and the bullish ones as well are also featured in this sentiment analysis. The last but not the least, again, as we go back to XRP now, check out the accumulation strategy. The shortest term model is, we have 3 models: the simple moving average based short term model, one market cycle DCA or dollar cost average model, and the time weighted average price for the longer term multiple market cycles. Starting with the short term mean reversion trade related model, this model says that right now the risk is at around 0.28. Again, that means if you deduct this risk from 1, that is 1 minus 0.28, that is the reward that you get. The lower the risk, the higher the reward, right? Potentially again between 0 and 0.2 and 0.3, that's the band that XRP has operated for the longest time since we witnessed the bear market, early part of bear market. XRP has been in this zone between this 0.2 and 0.3 risk. Again, a decent buy opportunity over here. In terms of the DCA model, this is proportional distance between the fair value regression line like we visited earlier and the current price. For this model, again, the risk is between 0.2 and 0.3. That means the reward is between 0.7 and 0.8 on the scale of 0 to 1. This is again a decent buy zone, not as lucrative as it was in July of 2021 2022, when the risk level was less than 0.1, ultimately close to the bottom. The fair value is coming again at similar level at 58 cents, and again the regression is at around regression 1 standard deviation, peak regression at around $1.16. So that's how the DCA model describes XRP. The time weighted average price model says the relationship between the price and this blue line, which is the time weighted average price XRP. Right now the price is lower than the time weighted average price. A great time to DCA if you have a multiple year outlook or multiple market cycle outlook. You can see over here the risks have plummeted back to zero for XRP. So all in all, if you were to summarize the behavior in terms of the summary risk, and this is the OHLC, or the open, high, low and close weekly candles for XRP. If you see over here, if you spend some attention on this level, the price is lower than the 200-week simple moving average, coming at around 61 cents, but higher than the 20-week simple moving average at around 54 cents. That is again at a weekly level. Right now the price is lower than this 52 cents level. In terms of the key level to watch is the 100-week, coming in at around 51 cents. So if you want to summarize all these three averages into a normalized risk based approach, you can see right now risk related to accumulating XRP is at around 0.23. If we overlay the price on top of this, you can see that this model has done a decent job in identifying the April 2021 peak, as well as some of the bear market related lows where the risks were essentially close to zero. Right now they are at around 0.2, 0.22, again the third best time to DCA for multiple model. With this I would like to conclude the video. Hope you like the content. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, also give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.